What if I told you your brain works like a system and what you feed it every day determines how focused, calm, and effective you are? Most people focus on habits, routines, to-do lists, productivity hacks, but they ignore the system that drives all of it, their mental inputs. When you start your day with news, texts, group chats, notifications, or scroll through social media, your brain is already reacting before you're even fully awake. And by mid-morning, you're tired or irritated without any obvious cause. That's your brain running the data it was given. The input sets the tone for the day. I'm Marjan. I spent years beginning my mornings on autopilot, phone in hand, scanning headlines, answering messages before my mind even had a chance to orient itself. And I noticed something. I was starting the day already tense. Nothing had happened yet. The only thing shaping my state was the information I was taking in the moment I woke up. Once I saw that, I changed my mornings and everything shifted. I felt clearer, quieter in my mind, more decisive, and the quality of my thinking got sharper. Here are 2 strategies I want you to use. Strategy number 1, audit your inputs. Look at these 3 areas of your life. Content. This is everything you read, watch, or scroll through. Think about the tone and pace of the content you consume. Is it uplifting or draining? Does it fill your mind with possibilities or clutter it with anxiety? 2 is conversations. Who are you talking to regularly? How do these conversations shape your mood and mindset? Are these interactions leaving you energized or are they subtly draining you? And the 3rd is environment. The spaces you spend your time in, they matter. Is your environment supporting your focus and calm, or is it adding to your mental clutter? Ask yourself one question in each category. Does this lift me up or does it weigh me down? Strategy number 2, replace and reinforce. Once you identify what drains you, replace it with something that supports the state you want to be in. Here's what that actually looks like. For content, if you start the morning scrolling news or TikTok or Instagram, swap that first 10 minutes with silence or a podcast that expands your thinking. Instead of opening up Instagram, open your notepad and write 1 sentence about what you want for the day. That tiny shift makes a big difference in how your brain calibrates. For conversations, if talking to someone leaves you anxious, annoyed, or just feeling heavy, put more space between interactions by responding later and less often. If a friend always vents, reply later in the day and keep it short. Your priority is protecting your mental state. For environment, if your current space feels flat or stale, change your position, the light, or the air. Like stand up, move to a different chair, work near a window, or step outside for 60 seconds. This physical shift results in a mental reset. The shifts are small. What you repeat becomes your system. And when your inputs support you, your mind stabilizes. And a stable system expands naturally. Once I started doing this consistently, my days got simpler. I wasn't in a mental tug of war anymore. My attention came back. My thinking got clearer. There's actual ease in how I moved through the day. So here's your work for the next 7 days. Audit your inputs, replace what drains you, and reinforce what strengthens you. Content, conversations, environment. That's your system. Change the input and you change the direction of your day. If this resonates, like and subscribe. I'm Marjan. I'll see you in the next one. Is that the cat scratching at the door?